Dance steps, fifth basic. Hello friends, do you want to learn dance out of 32 basics? Today we are going to learn fifth basic. Let's start.
Straighten your body. Keep gap between legs. Right leg to left. Right leg to right. Left leg to right. Left leg to left. Right leg to back. Left leg to right. Right leg to front. Left leg to left. Bend your body. Keep hands moving up and down. Let's start with counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get new notifications.